Hi, everybody. My name is Baba Adam. The company is Universal Love Jewelry, and the website is the letter U, lovejewelry.com. Before I say another word, I have to apologize to everybody. I have not been making um, videos consistently. I've been out of the country teaching people how to make a living making and selling jewelry. So I'm back. Before I say another thing, again, is that I like everyone to like, subscribe, share, and I would love to hear your comments. Today, I'm going to make a pendant. This is a 16 gauge copper wire, and it's about 2 feet long. I'm going to make a pendant. And this is crystal, this is a crystal stone. They call it double terminator. It's got a point on both ends, as you probably can see. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this big one here, and this is what we're going to work with. Take this one and put this on the side, and I have my favorite tool here, a file. Round nose pliers with a cutting edge, and flat pliers with a point. These are the three tools that I'm going to use. And how I start out anything working with wire is I foul the point, one edge. Real simple, but very important to do. Foul everything. So I'm going to make this loop. I'm going to make this loop right about here. Oops, oops, oops. Right about here. And then I'm going to make this go round like this. This one, like this one, touch here. Squeeze this down. And we're going to make a circle. So how's everybody been? Oh, fine. Oh, that's good news. Nice to know that everyone is well. I'm going to make this circle like this. And also, I just had a real nice birthday. Actually, it was last month, but I really enjoyed myself. I had a good time. So you see what I'm doing here? There you go. I'm going to make this circle here like that. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Little bigger. Bigger. Could have used this pliers. It would have been much better. My bad. Okay, now I have a circle. Wait, let me make it just a little bigger, just for the record. Okay, so I have a circle like this. So I want to take this circle and I'm going to put it right here on the bottom. And I'm going to take this point, stick this point in the hole. Then I'm going to push it down like this. And the point goes in the hole. And it goes down like that. Okay, now I'm going to take this, wrap this around here and here. I don't know if I said this is 16. I remember saying it's 16 gauge wire, but it's 16 gauge soft wire. You have hard wire, medium, and soft. When you do things like this, we're always using soft wire. It's a lot easier to work with, and things come out nice. Okay, now we have something like this. See that? It's nice. Now, and straighten this wire out. Get my round nose pliers, and I'm going to make a loop right here. I make this loop and make it go around, around. Okay, now I'm going to take this wire and bend it over here. And I'm going to make a loop right here in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to make that loop. I'm going to measure this about right here. Cut that off. Get out foul. Round foul edges. I always put a lot of emphasis on the foul. And sometimes a lot of people don't use the foul, but a foul is absolutely necessary. It makes the job look professional, and you won't be scratching anyone with these points. So I'm gonna make a loop right here. A loop like that. See that loop there? Now we're gonna open the loop up, and we're going to stick this loop. Open it up a little more. I'm going to stick this loop. Let me see where we're going to stick it. We're going to stick this loop. Say we stick this loop right. Let's see if we can get this loop inside this hole here. This would be kind of the tricky part to doing this. Because sometimes, there we go. It worked. All right, the loop is in there. Now, you have to make the loop. Okay, let's make the loop over it then. Well, actually, the truth of the matter is, this is the first time that I've done this, to be truthful. But I think that if I was to give myself a mark, once I get this loop in, I could give myself a mark. I'm doing rather well, even if I must say so myself, that for my first time out, never doing this before, that's not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay, now I'm going to do this here. I'm going to put a bend right here just to bring everything real close. Oh, you're looking good there. Now, I'm going to say this is going to be the front right here, right? So if that's going to be the front, I'm going to take my flat pliers, and I'm going to twist this around like this. I'm going to twist this around, so make it a little straighter. You see how that looks? Wow, that looks nice. Even if I must say so myself. Then I could take my string, stick it in here. That's the pendant. Okay. Just for the record, let's do this. Let's give a real quick. For those that don't know, this is like my style or my way of making this twine, or sometimes people call it leather, but it's not leather. Ain't no need in lying. Where's my okay? I get these here snips here. They might cut it and they might not. Okay. I need a pair of scissors. Don't have no scissors in my back pocket. So wait, let me get a pair of scissors. All right. Cut it off, cut it right. Okay, so you tie a knot right like that. Then you bring it around. You bring it around and you tie a knot. Same knot. You tie it here. Tie it here. Here. And here. Okay. Now when you tie this like this, nice and tight, so it fits. So it goes here, knot a little tighter. Nice and tight. So this becomes adjustable if we ever get it together. All right, let me grab these scissors so I could cut it and make it look more more professional. Although These scissors here, they need here we go. Came out nice. Okay. Let's move all this out of the way. And now we take this like this. See the string. String becomes adjustable like that. So now we have a pendant like this, and we made everything dirty. And this is the necklace here, just like that. Tell me, is that nice or is that nice? Yes, that's nice. Very nice. So it's handmade and one of a kind. So I just remind everybody again to subscribe, share, and I would love to hear your comments. Very nice. Thanks.